Hi, this is Rob. Welcome to my entry for the 2020 Gatton CNC Christmas Challenge. For this year's video, I'm going to add some silly food references. Feel free to count along when I sneak in anything that relates to food or cooking. I know it's a bit cheesy, but I want to try and break up your bland diet of woodworking videos. Don't worry, I'll try to keep it tasteful. Okay, let's get on to the main course. Last year, I did an embossed cookie rolling pin, and I was bitter. When the cookie dough... Hey, wait a second. That's not actually a silly food reference. That's actually a real food reference. Anyway, for last year's project, cookie dough kept sticking to the rolling pin, making it unusable. You could say it left me with a sour taste in my mouth, and I was actually bitter about it not working out the way I hoped. I'm not one to give up, so I'm going to make cookie stamps this year. It might be a little vanilla compared to the rolling pin, but I think this one should actually work out in the end. Now for the meat of this project. Here's a quick look at how I did this project in VCarve. There are literally a smorgasbord of ways to create this. I actually built it for one stamp first, and then just copied that file for a starting point for the other two stamps. If you look here at the menu on the right, you can see how I can preview the project. I'll let the software animate the steps the CNC will actually make later when cutting this out for real. For the third stamp, I spiced it up a little bit with a 3D version.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And here you can see them finished on the machine still. Need some sanding, but they actually came out quite nice. And here the stamps are. They've been sanded and oiled with mineral oil, which is food safe and doesn't spoil over time. And then here are some pictures of the cookies freshly stamped, ready to go in the oven. That one hasn't trimmed off the edges yet, but it's going to come out nice. And the candle. And here's a picture of all of them getting ready to go in. I tried something with the red sparkles. Did not work well, so we're not going to talk about that one very much. And here they are out of the oven. Last year, I literally spent hours trying to get 5 or 6 cookies to come out with that roller. This year, with the stamp, I took 5 minutes to get all these out. So I have to say this is a sweet success. I hope you enjoyed my video with all my stupid food jokes. And if not, bite me. Not really. Thanks for watching, everyone. Merry Christmas.